Hi, welcome to this video course titled ECMAScript 2016 and Beyond. This video course is brought to you by Pact Publishing. My name is Lohit GN. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have 15 years of industry experience, mostly on Microsoft .NET Stack. I'm also a Microsoft MVP, or also known as Most Valuable Professional. I'm an MVP in the area of Visual Studio development and technologies. I'm an author. I've authored a couple of books. One is titled Windows Phone Application Programming with F#, and then Windows 10 Development Recipes. I've also created a video course for Pact Publishing. It's called as Programming with ECMAScript 2015. You can check it out on the Pact Publishing website. I'm also a speaker. I've spoken at some of the key developer events such as TechEd, Global Indian Developer Summit, Mobile Developer Summit, and JS4, to name a few. Let's take a quick glimpse at what's coming up ahead in the course. Here is how our roadmap for this course looks like. In section 1, we'll be starting with ECMAScript 2016 features. Basically, we look at the new things in ECMAScript 2016. There's a new operator, exponentiation operator. We're going to look at that and also understand the new array prototype features in this section. In section 2, we focus on ECMAScript 2017 features. We're going to be looking at 4 features as part of this section, namely the new things introduced for object, then new things for string, trailing commas, and then we end this section by looking at async functions in the ECMAScript 2017. In section 3, we look at some real-world examples, that is how to use ECMAScript 2015 or 2016 or 2017 in today's projects. Basically, we'll be looking at 3 things here. We'll look at what is known as REPL or read, eval, print loop, which is nothing but interactive command line for working with ECMAScript 2015 or 16 or 17. We then look at transpilation. What is the process of transpiling? Basically converting your ECMAScript 2015, 16 or 17 code to ES5, the current version the browsers support. And then we end this section by looking at certain libraries like shims and polyfills. In the last section of this course, we'll be looking at a very interesting project known as Babel. Babel is nothing but a compiler or a transpiler, as it is known as. It compiles or transpiles your ECMAScript 2015, 16, and 17 code to ES5. So in this section, we'll be introducing to Babel. We'll be looking how to use Babel and Webpack for the browser, and also we'll look at how to use Babel for Node.js environment. Now that we understand the course overview, let's see what are the goals of this course. The goals are pretty simple. I want to introduce you to ECMAScript 2016 and 2017 features, understand the new things as part of these specifications, how to use ECMAScript 2015 or 16 or 17 today in your projects, and then showcase how to use Babel for browser and then Babel for Node. As you can see, the goal is pretty simple, to make you understand how to use the newest features of ECMAScript in today's projects. Now that you know the goal of this course, probably you're thinking, what is a prerequisite to go through this course? Well, it's very simple. If you understand and then if you have programmed JavaScript, that is all the prerequisites that you need. Also, knowing HTML a little bit helps to go through this course. So JavaScript and HTML, the basic prerequisite for this course. I hope you are as excited as I am, and you will join me in this journey along this course.